In this video, we are going to be looking at how to install Nest. In Nest, Nest, this is a multi-vendor organic and grocery Laravel e-commerce script. After purchasing the script, I go straight to my cPanel. For my cPanel, I go to Files. Under my files, I see my file manager. I click on it. Then I go to my subdomain because I'm using a subdomain for these testing purposes. So now the subdomain I'm using is this. Let me upload my script. I click on upload. Then I go to my here is it. I just drag and drop. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If this video is helpful, use the buy me a coffee link in the description to buy me a coffee. For your script installation customization, please use the engagement link in the description to engage me to help you install your script, customize your script, and for your project entirely, use the engagement link for your tech project. Use the engagement link in the description to engage me to assist you with that. So next, I've already uploaded it. I'm going to extract it. I right click, then click on extract files. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if this video is helpful, use the buy me a coffee link in the description to buy me a coffee. Also, for your script installation, script customization, and your tech project, please use the engagement link to engage me for your projects. Okay, I click on close. Next, I open the folder, select all, then move to the root folder. Move files. Now I click on up one level. I've successfully uploaded my script to my file manager. Next, I go back to my cPanel. This time around, I'm going to my domain. My databases. Then under it, I come to here, my SQL databases. Then I create my database. Let me name my database as this. I click on create database. I've successfully created my database, so I click on go back. After creating my database, next I'm going to create the user for the database. So let me scroll down to create the user. Yeah. Let me name my user as this. So next I click on create user. Okay, let me regenerate this. Then I click on create user. So I've created the user successfully. Next I click on go back again. Now I have created the user, I have created the database. It's for me to, what next is for me to merge the database and the user together. So this one has selected for me automatically. So this is not the one I need here, so I select it here. Then next I click on add. For privileges, I scroll down to make changes. So the database has been created. Now let me go back to my file manager, copy my subdomain, open a new tab, place it there. That's Ctrl V, enter. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's go. Okay, I scroll down to see everything is in order. Next, I click on configure environment. My database name. Let me go and select my database, copy my database name. Copy this username. So that's my database name. That's my username. Install. Next, I'm going to create an account. Let's say my first name is this, my last name is username, email at example.com. Then I click on create. So next I fill this place, my Envato username, purchase code, then confirm. Next I click on activate license. So after then, installation finish. Our application has been successfully installed. So I click on go to admin dashboard. I have successfully uploaded my script. Here is my dashboard. For me, I can go to any place I like. Please don't forget, I can get started, but I'm not doing this for this video. Just close it. Yes, I will finish it later. So now I can go to anywhere I like. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channels. If this video is helpful, use the buy me a coffee link in the description to buy me a coffee. And also for your script, to install the script, please use the engage me link to install the script, or to customize the script, use the engage me link also to engage me to help you customize the script. And also for your tech project from the scratch, also use the engage me link for your tech project from scratch. I will assist you with that. Thank you.